Hi, my name is Sylvia Graham. I am the CSI manager here at Gqeberha. And as part of our CSI program, we are implementing the Maths and Science program that has been operational for the past 10 years. We thought it important to invite the Nelson Mandela University to form part of this initiative to help support our learners in terms of applications and see what's available to them after they complete this program. Thank you so much to the Nelson Mandela University for making time and prioritizing our learners.
Hello, my name is Nelson Mandela from the Nelson Mandela University. I work there as a marketing events specialist. We're currently at the Coega MSP to assist our learners in terms of applying for their future, basically. That's what we say. Well, as the Nelson Mandela University, we always want to make sure that there is no learner left behind. So we make it a point that we visit all the necessary stations, or where we are asked to go to explain to all our learners about the university holistically. It is very, very important for us to be here today because we know that the students, or rather the learners that we work with, have already done grade 12 and are in the process of again making sure that they make their marks to be better. They are renewing their marks. So it's even more important just to make sure and ensure them that they are very important and that they can do it. So yes, it is so great to be here. We loved it. It's amazing, and we are very sure that our learners will make us very proud and join the Nelson Mandela University.
Hi everyone, my name is Nikita Magwanya. I'm from the Coega MSP. We had an informative day with Nelson Mandela University where I learned that comprehending and reading information in regards to application can be really important, and us inputting the information when we're applicating can really be a deal breaker because we do tend to interpret it in a way that is not correct according to the application. So thank you.